Good afternoon, everyone. I hope that you and your beloved ones are keeping well and staying healthy. My warmest welcome to all of you at this virtual annual children meeting in compliance with the relevant circulars issued by SEBI and MCA, which exempts physical attendance of members to the AGM venue. We have with us Dr. Yamunadath Agrawal, Chairman and Director of the company, Mr. Amit Agrawal, Vice Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Vikram Oza, Director, CFO, and Chairman of Stakeholder Grievance and Relationship Committee. Mr. Mukesh Gupta, Independent Director. Further, Mr. Rajesh Jain, Independent Director and Chairman of Audit Committee. Mr. Jasdev Kaur Ray, Independent Director. And Mr. Siddharth Kapoor, Independent Director of the company, are attending the meeting through video conference. We also have with us Mr. Praveen Lavana from Sarimal and Company, who are statutory auditors of the company, and Mr. Ashish Doshi, partner at Messrs. Sponge and Associates, who are secretarial auditors of the company and scrutinizer of the e-voting process for this AGM. During the year under review, Ms. Dipali Agrawal, Dean 069359197, Independent Director of the company, ceased to be Director of the company with effect from 5th October 2022 on account of her resignation. The second term of appointment of Mr. Shrikant Jhaveri as Independent Director of the company got completed on May 9, 2023. Accordingly, he ceased to be Director on the board of the company. I, on behalf of the board and entire Jindal group, thank you, Ms. Dipali and Mr. Jhaveri, for all the years of guidance and advice they have bestowed to us during their tenure as Director and Chairman, member of various committees of the board from time to time, and wish them good luck for their future endeavors. We have the requisite quorum present to conduct the proceedings of this meeting. Participation of members through video conference is being reckoned for the purpose of quorum as per the circulars issued by SEBI and Section 103 of the Companies Act 2013. The quorum being present, I call this meeting to order. Now, before we proceed, I'll brief the members on some general instructions for joining this meeting. The facility of joining the AGM through video conference is being made available for the shareholders on first come first serve basis. The live streaming of this meeting is being done through CDSL e-voting portal. All the shareholders who are attending the meeting are by default placed on mute mode to avoid any disturbance due to background noise and ensure smooth and seamless conduct of the meeting. The company had provided the facility to cast the votes electronically on all the resolutions set forth in the notice. The remote e-voting commenced at 9 a.m. on 3rd August 2023 and ended at 5 p.m. on 6th August 2023. The company provided remote e-voting facility to all the members as on 31st July 2023 being the cutoff date to vote on all the 5 resolutions set out in the notice of the AGM. Members attending the AGM today who have not cast their vote by remote e-voting are entitled to vote through CDSL e-voting portal, which will remain open up to 30 minutes from the close of this meeting. The combined results will be announced and placed on the website of the company and CDSL. The results along with the scrutinizer report shall be submitted to NSE and BSE and will also be placed on the website of the company. As the meeting is convened through VC today, resolutions have already been put to vote through remote e-voting and the requirement to propose and second is not applicable. The documents referred to in the notice and explanatory statement, Register of Directors and KMP, the Register of Contracts or Arrangements has been made available electronically for inspection by the members. Shareholders who are desiring to inspect any of the documents may send an email to the Secretarial Department from their registered email ID quoting the DPID and folio number. Since the meeting is held through VC, the requirement to propose and second the resolution does not apply. As the AGM is being held through VC, the facility for appointment of proxies by the members was not applicable. Hence, the proxy register for inspection is not available. Members are requested to refer to the instructions provided in the notice for seamless participation through video conference. In case the members face any facility, they may reach out to the helpline numbers mentioned in the notes to the notice. I would now request the chairman to take the proceedings forward.
Thank you, Chetna. Dear fellow members, a very good afternoon to all of you. At the outset, on behalf of the Board of the Directors, the management, and the employees of the company, I welcome you all on this 37th annual general meeting of the Jindal Worldwide Limited. I want to express my sincere gratitude to all of you for becoming a part of this meeting and hope that you and your family are safe and healthy. The past year was filled with a unique and landmark beginning for the company, and we are committed to growing and giving back to our stakeholders to the best of our abilities. We recognize that it is imperative to create an agile, professional, and diversified organization to deliver consistent and profitable growth. We have significantly stepped up our organizational capabilities in the last few years to ensure our human capital is aligned with the business growth. We believe that our employees are future leaders and we try our best to make them realize their full potential. We realize the importance of ensuring that the future growth is inclusive and does not come at the cost of the environment. We believe that to generate superior long-term value, we need to look beyond just profits and care for all our stakeholders, our consumers, suppliers and business partners, people, stakeholders, and above all, the planet and the society. The global environment is going through a considerable changes. Geographical factors as the conflict between Russia and Ukraine, rising inflation, volatile commodity prices have caused slowing down of the global growth and created stress in the overall economic environment. At the same time, the world is navigating several transitions. Undoubtedly, these transitions will quite require significant investment in the technology and innovation and offer a huge growth opportunity for the industry. As we conclude the year and take stock, I am enormously proud of what your company has achieved in this period. Amidst an uncertain economic and demand environment, we have continued to grow and evolve the business, and your company has delivered yet another year of stellar performance despite the many challenges. I am pleased to say that your company has done well in the volatile global environment in the year gone by. The relentless commitment and the dedication of every member of the company helped the business overcome many challenges in the past year. The operational revenue of the financial year 22-23 stood at 2,149 crore, EBITDA at 219 crore, net profit stood at 114 crores, and the export sales at 209 crores. Further, the board has recommended a final dividend of 20%. There is another important data area that the company need to focus on, building talent for the future. The energy supply chain and AI transactions are going to require companies to reskill, upskill existing talent base, hire and integrate new talent and invest in research. Our CSR activities during the year were devised and consistent with the priority areas outlined by the Government of India, and accordingly, company had spent in various sectors during the year, which included education, healthcare, development of traditional art, enhancing the vocational skill, livelihood enhancement projects, eradicating hunger, poverty, malnutrition, promoting sanitation, and other sectors for uplifting and development of community, environment, and society. ESG in action. We have always looked at intervening our sustainability agenda into the company's business objectives and consider our focus on ESG to be a key driver of the long-term value creation for all our stakeholders. Resource efficiency is at the heart of our environmental strategy and reflected strongly in our initiatives. Our efforts toward ESG initiatives during the past year are detailed in the BRSR to gain a comprehensive understanding of the progress we have made. Our commitment to ESG not only aligns to global expectation but also serves as a catalyst for the long-term success and resilience in the face of evolving market dynamics. As I look ahead, given the trust of our clients, dedication of our employees, the strength of our capabilities, and the guidance of our board, I remain confident of our ability to serve our clients and continue to create an impact for them. We expect vast opportunities to unfold in coming years. We look to the future with confidence, one that holds many opportunities and challenges, which our team will take in their stride. On the positive note, I thank all our stakeholders for believing in our growth story. We seek your continued support in our efforts to create value for all and continue to be a partner in and contribute to the India's remarkable economic rise as well as. I now request our company secretary, Ms. Chetna, to take up the proceeding forward. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. And now towards the business of the meeting. As the notice is already circulated to members, I take the notice convening the meeting as read. Further, the Board of Directors report and Auditor's report, along with the financial statements forming part of the annual report, have been already circulated to the shareholders of the company. Further, the statutory report, auditor's report, and secretarial audit report does not contain any qualifications, observations, or comments on financial statements or otherwise for financial year ended 31st March 2023, hence the same are not required to be read at the meeting. Now I place before the members the below ordinary business items as specified in the notice. Item number 1, to consider and adopt the audited standalone and consolidated financial statements of the company for the financial year ended March 31, 2023, together with the report on the Board of Directors and Auditors report of the company, to declare final dividend at the rate of 20% on paid up equity capital, that is rupees 0.20 per equity share for the financial year ended 2023. Item number 3, to appoint a director in place of Mr. Vikram Oza, Dean 01192552, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. Item number 4, to consider and approve appointment of Mrs. Ravi Karya and Associates, FRN 157029W, Chartered Accountants, Ahmedabad, as statutory auditors of the company and to fix the remuneration. Now I place before the members the below special business item as specified in the notice. Item number 5, rectification of remuneration of cost auditors for the financial year 23-24. The above items are explained in detail in the explanatory statement forming part of the notice. With this, I thank you everyone for joining us today. The voting lines will remain open up to 30 minutes from the closure of this meeting. For those members who were not able to cast their votes through remote voting, now I announce the closure of proceedings of this 37th AGM of Jindal Worldwide Limited. Wishing you all a healthy and happy time ahead. Thank you.